Good evening, students. Welcome to today's online session. In our today's session, we are going to discuss about insertion sorting. That this we have discussed earlier, but I want to discuss in detail more about it. Okay, insertion sorting is a simple sorting technique that will arrange your elements in your array in ascending order or descending order. But as of now, as we are the beginners, we will be sorting the elements in ascending order. And as I already told you people, we will be dividing the actual array into two parts where we will be having sorted elements in one thing and unsorted elements in one thing. It doesn't mean that you people will be taking like array A and array B, but we'll consider a single array where you people will be having two parts like sorted array and unsorted array. Okay, in each pass means to say that while you are iterating the statements, while you are repeating the statement, you people will be thinking that the first element, whatever the first element that you are having in your array, you people will be thinking that that is a sorted part, and remaining whatever the elements that you are having in your array, that will be unsorted. So whenever you are having a sorted part in your hand and unsorted part, you people will be comparing the elements in the sorted and unsorted part in order to arrange the elements in the proper order. Okay, as you people can see the definition over here, in each pass the first element of the unsorted part is picked up and transferred towards sorted array. That is what the first element we will pick up, and we will be putting that into sorted sublist, and we will be inserting each element like that in order to make them arranged, or else in order to make them sort. Okay, a list of n elements will be taking at most n minus 1 passes to sort. Okay, means to say that if you are having n elements, you will be repeating the loop for what, n minus 1 times. This is how we will be sorting the elements in case of your array. Okay, now what we will do is we will try to understand how we will implement this by using one more what I will say example. Okay, so by the example you people can easily understand what we are going to discuss in this particular session. Think that your array is consisting elements like 7 4 5 2. Okay, this is the step 1 where I'm repeating the loop, means to say that while I'm arranging the elements, అంటే నా దగ్గర ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ 7 4 5 2 అయినప్పుడు దాన్ని అరేంజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు నేను 7ని మాత్రమే సార్టెడ్ ఎలిమెంట్గా తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని సార్టెడ్ ఎలిమెంట్ అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. వై? బికాజ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ద రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. సో నో ఎలిమెంట్ ఆన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ 7, no change is required. Why? Because 7 is sorted in my view in step 1. Okay, and later in step 2 what I'm going to take is 4. I'll be taking 4 and I'll be comparing with the sorted element which is 7. Okay, if the 7 is greater than 4, then I will be going for swapping of these two numbers. If not, what I will do is I'll be placing the numbers as it is. But in this case, 4 is smaller than 7, so we need a swapping. Here checking on the left side of your 4 means to say that we will be checking with what, first element, which we are thinking that it has a sorted one. Okay, and if 7 is 4, then 7 is greater than 4, then 7 will be moved forward and 4 will be moved towards what, 7th position. Okay, means to say that at 0th position we will be placing 4, and 1st position we will be placing what, 7, like this. Okay, as we have done in the first step, like this one. Okay, in this part we have arranged what, 4 and 7. Think that this is a sorted part right now. Okay, in the first case we have arranged only 7, but right now we have arranged two elements. Think that these are sorted elements right now. Okay, now I'll go for the remaining part. As we are thinking that 7 and 4 has been arranged in a proper order, what I will do is I will be thinking that this as sorted array and these two are unsorted arrays. Now again I'll be considering this 5 and I will be checking with this 4 and 7. While I'm checking with 4, it is more than 4, and while I'm checking with 7, it is less than 7. Means to say that we need to place this 5 in between the 4 and 7. That we will be doing in this particular case. See here, 7 is greater than 5. So we will be placing this 5 before 7. Means to say that we will be moving the 7 in the forward direction and we will be placing 5 before the 7, but 4 is greater than 5, so no changes in the position of 4. Means to say that 4 will be placed at first and later we will be placing what, 5. See, in the next iteration I will be having this as my output. This will be sorted elements. These are will be sorted elements in our array. So this will make us come to know that where we will be having some sorted elements in some side and where we will be having unsorted elements in some side. Okay, and now what we will do is we will arrange this 2 also. Think that these 4, 5, 7 are arranged and we remain with what, 4. Now I will compare this 2 with 4 first. Okay, if the 4 is having if the 2 is greater than 4, then we need to make some changes, but as we can say that 4 is greater than 2, then we need to place what, okay, as we have arranged 4, 5, 7 and we need to arrange only 2. Okay, 4 is greater than 2, means to say that we need not check for 4, 5, 7 in a sequence. Why? Because 4 is the largest number than 2, so simply place that 2 in the beginning of your array, so that you will come to know that it is an sorted one. Why? Because when we are going for the right of your array, then 4 and 5 and 7 will be the greater number when we are comparing with the 2. So simply what we will do is we will arrange these 2 in the beginning of your array, so remaining elements will also be of sorted elements only. So finally we will be having 2 parts in your insertion sorting technique, that is sorted one and unsorted one. We won't make any classification between 2 arrays, but we will be breaking that. We will be considering that we are having sub part of your array as sorted one and unsorted one. We won't take two arrays in between that. Okay, this is how we will be having the insertion sort. Right now just go through your algorithms and I'll be placing the program in your group. Just go through it. If you are not getting it in detail, we will discuss the program also. Okay, and later on in next session we will be discussing about quick sort and merge sort, okay, which are very important. And insertion sort may also come for your 15 marks, but they will be giving you the longest example and they will ask you people to sort the elements in a step by step manner. Okay, so you should not say that I will be having the numbers, I will be arranging them in the ascending order or descending order. By that you won't get any marks, but in each and every step you need to explain them neatly how you people are arranging the elements like this. If you are not doing it, you people will not get the good marks. Okay, that's it for right now. If you are having any doubts, just let me know. Okay, అందరికి అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అది ఆల్రెడీ నేను డిస్కస్ చేసిన క్లాస్లో. ఫర్ ఇంకొంచెం బెటర్మెంట్ కోసం నేను ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నా. రేపటి సెషన్లో మనం క్విక్ సార్ట్, మర్జ్ సార్ట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ నౌ. సీ యు ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.